you are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
Hello everyone, this is Jem from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 16th of November afternoon analysis. Alright, we will talk about some news and then we will go back to our charts. First of all, just 1 hour ago, we have received the data from US on retail sales month over month. The retail sales in US are rising. So it is the result of recovery from pandemic. We see this pattern, and then this is making interest rate hikes sooner than expecting idea stronger. Why? Because the inflation goes high with two scenarios. One, demand and loss. So if there is enough supply and there is not enough supply compared to demand, then the price goes up. So in US we are seeing that one. There are a lot of bottlenecks, like chip shortage and ship problem, and also some other supply chains are not fully recovered. We see this one, but demand is recovering faster than supply chains. So retail sales are rising, and then this is making pressure on inflation. With this idea, US 10-year bonds are rising. With that, gold is on the fall, and with retail sales, those companies are listed in Nasdaq, S&P already. So those companies' prices are rising, and US stocks after that data release are rising. Another data, industrial production and manufacturing production was also released, and they are also going up recent months. That's good for US economy, and dollar index is going higher and higher with these data releases because the expectation of rate hike is getting stronger. Even Fed Bullard said rate hike sooner than expected or sooner than planned may be a good idea. He said like this. Probably on next FOMC meeting they will talk about this one. On commentary we will see in press release these kind of question answers, and then they will talk about this. All right, let's go back to our charts. There will be 3 charts as always. The first one is GBP Japanese yen, the second one is Ethereum, and the third one is wheat prices. We will talk about them. We will speak on these charts. GBP Japanese yen, as we have mentioned on our recent videos, it's going down because Japanese Prime Minister, a new Prime Minister, said that we don't want that much deflated, that much devalued currency. So after that speech, that speech has been around this, and it has went down. But recent speeches and developments making the price high levels again. But if we check the RSI, it's almost over. We may see some slowdown. We may see some dip in this scenario. So as you can see, it's getting tough times to breaking this resistance. We may see another sell in these 2 days. We may see that one. All right, let's go to Ethereum prices. All right, we are on Ethereum charts. As you can see, there was a trending uptrend, but right now it has been broken, and we see decline in Ethereum prices. What is next? As you can see here, it has tested our support, and then from that area it has rebounded. So if we want to see higher levels, first we need to see higher than 400 4,600 level. We have to be over that one. As long as we are under 4,600, this decline may go on. Why I'm saying this one, let me just show you. And I'm just making another, on here I'm making another line. As you can see here, for like a 4,600 line here is always problem for Ethereum. You see, rejected and going down. When it goes up, that one, it's trying new highs, and then on decline it's helping. This time it didn't help. The support, mini support, didn't work, and we have seen sharp decline. It had happened like this. All right, let's look at wheat prices. What's happening in wheat? What are the news in wheat prices? Our last chart is wheat, and as you can see here, wheat is testing really high level. This is the result of global climate change, and the sudden weather changes are affecting agricultural fields so much, and also food inflation. Demand in food is more than supply in the food in many parts of the world. This is the main case. This is the main reason for rising food prices. We see this one that much, and costs are rising so fast. Fertilizer fees, labor cost, and energy prices used in agriculture all are rising. As a result, we see price hike in agricultural commodities, and wheat is the most of the important of them, most common agricultural commodity, and we see the recent hike in wheat prices. So what can we expect from these high levels? So we have seen this kind of hike in here, and then a relaxation, profit taking has happened. So from these points, a profit taking has started already. If we don't see another trial on that, on this high level, if we don't see another trial of 828, 830 level, then we may see a drop until to 800 level. From that point, we may see another rebound. But right now it's happening. As you can see, wheat prices are easing, and many people are taking their profits. As long as the position is open, that's not your money. To take the profit, you have to close the position, and when more people on the market are closing their profits and less people are still open, then sell-off starts. And right now we see these patterns happening, and less people are on buy position and more people are closing their position. And these may go on. If this pattern just follows, just track that one and open a sell position and take your profit. These are less attracted commodities. Many people think that gold, silver, and other commodities are more valuable, but don't forget, wheat is the first commodity of mankind. There was wheat before then gold. So this is really valuable asset, and you have to just look at sometimes to this commodity to take profit. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news tomorrow morning with analysis. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.